Guys, Jovani's here. Alright guys, so now I'm recording and pick up my trash can. But I couldn't do it for a while because of Juan. Because this is Juan's truck. And I don't like Juan, he's mean to me. Well, I'm glad Jovani's in his truck. I'm sure Jovani will come in Javier's truck one day. It's the guy who I saw in Jesus' truck. Do I see Jovani in there? That's Jovani. I saw his name tag. It says Jovani's name. I'll see what he's gonna do when he tries to pick up that trash can. Hey, buddy. You know the guy who picks out the green lids? What? You know the guy who picks out the green lids?
Yeah.
He dropped the trash can. When he was trying to pick it up, he dropped it.
Oh, yeah? Yeah,
he dropped it.
Did he pick it up?
No, he didn't get out of his truck to pick it up. Alright. Alright. Yep. Alexander, if you're watching this, I finally got Jovani's voice. I think Jovani's gonna come this way, I think. Or back up. I'll see. Alright, he's coming. Over here. Alright. Let's see if Jovani will honk. Oh, there's Javier. He's all the way over there. And I can't believe Jovani honked at me with Juan's truck. I finally heard Juan's air horn. Oh my god, I'm gonna show this to Alexander. I'm so surprised Jovani honked with Juan's truck. I can't believe it. Alright, I'm gonna see him. I'm gonna see Jovani at the street when he comes the other way. Guys, Jovani's coming. I wish this was my truck, but I'm not driving over a public service truck. I'm driving a waste management truck. And I wish I had a Peterbilt, but I don't have a Peterbilt anymore. Now I have an auto car. recording this way. Oh my god, Jovani's dropping the trash cans Jesus picks up. But that's okay, because there's no garbage. Jovani's going all the way over there with Juan's truck. Getting out of his truck. I meant Juan's truck. A trash bag. Swear to God, if my truck 106 752 gets scrapped, I'm driving Huss's truck. There goes Jovani and Juan's truck. Alright.